The VACC has developed a faster and more user-friendly way for our members to accurately estimate the cost of servicing and repairing a customer's vehicle. This has led to the creation of Tech Estimate, the repair cost calculator. You simply log on to Tech Online as normal, and the Tech Estimate option is the fourth tab on the top of the page. Using information from the VACC's Tech Online and Times Guide, this system will allow you to select a vehicle in the same way as in Tech Online. Select a service schedule interval. Select a repair labour times and enter customer details. Tech Estimate has been designed so you and your staff can create a quick and accurate estimate while you have the customer on the phone, or you can send them an itemised copy via email from inside the system. For more information, refer to the May 2018 issue of the VACC's Tech Talk magazine. Start using Tech Estimate by logging on to Tech Online. If you have any questions about how to use Tech Estimate, call the VACC's Technical Advisory Service.